Hello, YouTube. So, something really exciting and something extremely irresponsible showed up at my door today, and that is the AER by Air Video GoPro. I guess it's a throwing aid. I'm not exactly sure how to describe it. Think of it as like a giant foam lawn dart that you can place your GoPro in and just throw your GoPro. You can throw it up in the air, you can throw it in the water, you can throw it however you want to throw it to get some pretty sick aerial shots. Now, this is a highly irresponsible purchase. I'll say that right up front. This thing's, like I said, it's $100. Plenty of stories of sustained damage to GoPros. Plenty of stories of significant damage to the air after just a few throws. But that being said, this product made it into a handful of clips in the GoPro $1 Million Challenge. You know, the shots are just phenomenal that this thing can potentially get if it lasts that long, where you wouldn't be able to get with a traditional drone. And not only that, with how the laws are changing with drones lately, this does provide a somewhat, I don't know, it doesn't really replace a drone, but it gives you those aerial options in many parts of the world where droning just isn't, legal anymore. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. Let's open it up and take a look. Well, my first impression is I can't believe I spent the $100 on it, which is kind of what I was expecting. Warning, read the manual carefully before use. Air is not a toy. Don't throw towards hard surfaces. Catching air can cause damage. Don't use near crowds or animals. Okay, so essentially everything that you're purchasing this thing for, you shouldn't use it for that purpose. Whatever. What does it come with? It comes with a carrying case, comes with a strap, and it comes with, I guess this is the foam block they're talking about for GoPro spacing. I've got my Hero 7 Black. That really doesn't... yeah, it doesn't really feel too... Okay, so I'm back. What I try to figure out is how does the Hero 7 actually fit into this nose cap without reading any instructions, which this little note told you to do. And how it works is you take your Hero 7 case, slap it into the case, and then by pressure, this fits into a couple little grooves here, which places the lens in essentially the right spot at the front. I mean, it does look here like a lot of the, as you can see, like a lot of the lens is blocked by this blue shroud, but it doesn't appear in linear mode to cause any real effect. Let's see what happens when I go to wide. In wide, it still doesn't seem to cause much negative effect. That's in photo mode. Let's go to video. Wide, no negative effect from the lens being partially blocked. Super view, no negative effect from the lens being blocked, so I guess it's not an issue. So you put this little spacer on like so. Doesn't really fit together very nicely. You get the sense that you're gonna break something by forcing it. Like the material just doesn't make you feel very, you know, warm and fuzzy about the product. You feel more like, yeah, this is a cheap Kickstarter campaign. This comes off like that. Goes like that. And there you have it. That is a $100 lawn dart that houses your GoPro. And that will probably only last a couple throws. Yeah, I'm not sure when I'm actually going to test the product. Might give it a try on the weekend, but yeah, that's what $100 gets you. Well, thank you for watching this video on my irresponsible GoPro shopping. And if you like it, I hope you subscribe. Okay, now to hide all these pieces before my wife sees what I'm spending our hard-earned money on. I'm pretty sure this $100 piece of foam is grounds for divorce.